Hi students, let us go with our new video, new topic 3D geometry. From the 3D geometry, maximum we will guess 3 marks. Okay, let us go with our problems. If A equals to 2, 4, 5, B equals to 3, 5, minus 4 are 2 points. If the xy plane, yz plane divide AB in the ratios A is to B and P is to Q respectively, then A by B plus P by Q equals to what? Now in this, simply xy plane divides AB. If xy plane divides in the ratio minus z1 is to z2. Okay, now this is nothing but A is to B, yes or no? And also similarly yz plane divides AB in the ratio P is to Q equals to, now here yz, so minus x1 is to x2. Okay, now simply A by B equals to what? A by B equals to minus z1 minus 5 by minus 4, then that is a 5 by 4. Now P by Q equals to minus 2 by 3. So then A by B plus P by Q equals to what? 5 by 4 minus 2 by 3. Okay, it is a 12, 15 minus 8, 7 by 12. Okay, third one is a option. Okay, now if A equals to 2, minus 3, 1, B equals to 3, minus 4, 6 and C is a point of trisection of AB, then CY equals to what? Y coordinate of C is a what? C divides AB in the ratio or 1 is to 2 or 2 is to 1 because of that is a trisection. Yes or no? It divides like this. Now in which any one is a C. It divides either 2 is to 1 or 1 is to 2. Okay. Suppose taking 2 is to 1. Okay. C divides AB in 2 is to 1. M is to N. So only we need Y coordinates. Y coordinates means My2 plus Ny1 by M plus N. Okay. Then y2 is a minus 4 plus n is a 1 and y1 is a minus 3 by 2 plus 1, then minus 8 minus 3 by 3 equals to minus 11 by 3. Okay, fourth one is the right option. Okay, the problem is if the points 5, 4, 2, 8k minus 7 and 6, 2, minus 1 are collinear, then k equals to what? Okay. Now these points are collinears. Now I can apply formula x2 minus x1 by y2 minus y1 equals to x3 minus x1 by y3 minus y1 or y2. Take any one. x2 minus x1 by y2 minus y1, x3 minus x2 by y3 minus y2. Okay na? Then we are taking here, I can taking what? X and y. No need to take z. Okay. Let x2 minus x1 8 minus 5 by k minus 4 and x3 minus x2 6 minus 8 by 2 minus k. Okay. 3 by k minus 4 equals to minus 2 by 2 minus k. Okay. Let simplification. 6 minus 3k equals to minus 2k plus 8. Okay. Now minus 3k bring that side, this is a k. Now 8 bring this side, that is a minus 2. Then k equals to minus 2 is our option. Now next one. If D 1, 2, 1, 0, E 2, 0, 0, F 0, 1, 0 are midpoints of the sides BC, CA, AB of triangle ABC respectively. Then centroid of the triangle ABC is what? We know the centroid of the triangle is nothing but g equals to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3, z1 plus z2 plus z3 by 3 when given ABC vertices like this. But we need what? Actually, C is the midpoint of BC. Now E is the midpoint of AC. F is the midpoint of AB. Okay. Actually, we need centroid of ABC. Okay. But here we have the vertices D and E and F. Okay. Here we have DEF triangle. Okay. Now here we need what? The centroid of ABC. Also we can taking the centroid of DEF like this. Okay. Now both are equal. Okay. This is the shortcut way. So D equals to, then we can apply G equals to 2 plus 2 plus 0 by 3 and 1 plus 0 plus 1 by 3 and 0 plus 0 plus 0 by 3. Okay. Then that equals what? 4 by 3, 2 by 3 and 0. Okay, which one? Second option is a right option. Okay, let us go with the new problem. The locus of a point which is equidistant from xy plane and yz plane is in this which option? Clearly xy plane, we have xy plane like this. Okay, x and y plane, and also yz plane, yz plane like this. Okay, xy yz plane. The locus of a point, which is a equidistant, any point like this, suppose it is from the equidistant to the two planes. Now here it is a equidistant to the xy plane and yz plane. So now here common thing is what? Actually here yz plane, here z, here x. Now the equation should be like this: mod z equals to mod x. Okay, then x square equals to z square, then x square minus z square equals to 0. Okay, now second one is our right option. Okay, now the DCs of the line passing through P23 minus 1 and the origin is what? Simply origin is a 0 comma 0 comma 0. Now the OP direction ratios are what? 2 minus 0, 3 minus 0, minus 1. Okay. Now direction cosines are what? 2 by under root 2 square plus 3 square minus 1 whole square equals to what? 4 plus 1 plus 5 plus 14. Root 14. It is a 3 by root 14. It is a minus 1 by root 14. Okay. Then which option in this? 2, 3 minus 1. 2, 3 minus 1 is any? No. But we have here minus 2, minus 3, minus 1. Okay. Now this one also equals to, okay, 2, 3 minus 1. Root by 14. These are the common thing. Yes or no? But here numerator minus 2, minus 3, minus 1. After simplification like this, they will get after multiplying with the minus 2, 3, minus 1. So our option is third one. Okay, let us do more. Okay, now the problem is the projections of vector on the 3 coordinate axis are 6, minus 3, 2 respectively. The direction cosines of the vectors are what? Clearly here mentioned. These are on the where? Okay. Let us go with our new problem. The projections of a vector on the 3 coordinate axis are 6, minus 3, 2 respectively. The direction cosines of the vector are now in this what? Okay. From coordinate axis, in coordinate axis we have one point. Now projections of this point, a vector on the 3 coordinates, a vector, any vector on this, 6, minus 3, 2. Okay. Now these are nothing but direction cosines, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1 and z2 minus z1 equals to what? 6 minus 3, 2. Okay. Now direction cosines are what? Now we can take in the denominator 6 square 36 plus 9, it is a 4, then 49, that is nothing but 7. Yes or no? Then 6 by 7 minus 3 by 7, 2 by 7. Okay, simply. Okay. Now the problem, the distance between parallel planes. Now the question from planes. 2x minus 2y plus z plus 3 equals 0. 4x minus 4y plus 2z plus 5 equals to 0. These are parallel to each other. But at the first we have to equating the quotients to each other. Now it is a 2x, here 4x. So that's why now multiplying with the 2, they will get what? 4x minus 4y plus 4z plus 6 equals 0. Now it is a 4x minus 4y plus 2z, sorry, it is a 2z plus 5 equals to 0. Okay. Now the distance between two parallel planes are d1 minus d2 by under root a square plus b square plus c square. A, b, c are nothing but x, y, z quotients. Now d1, d2 are constants. These are the different. Now 6 minus 5 by under root modulus here, because of distance is always positive. Yes or no? Now 4 square 16. Now 16 plus 4 equals to 1 by 36 equals to 1 by 6 units. Okay. First one is the right option. Okay. The distance of the point 1 minus 2 from the plane passing through the point 1 to 2 and perpendicular to the planes x minus y plus 2z equals 3, 2x minus 2y plus z plus 2 equals 0 is what? Okay. Actually we need the plane, equation of plane. How to find the equation of plane? It is passes through from 1 comma 2 comma 2, that means x minus 1, y minus 2, z minus 2, yes. And the direction cosines are 1 minus 1 2 and 2 minus 2 1, because of these are the perpendicular to the planes. Okay, the plane which is perpendicular to the planes. Okay, so first of all we need the equation. Now minus 1 into 1 minus 1 plus 4 3 into x minus 1 minus 1 minus 4 minus 3 plus 3 into y minus 2 plus minus 2 into 1 minus 2 plus 2 is a 0. No need to take z1. Okay, equals to 0. So it is a 3x plus 3y minus 3 minus 6 minus 3 minus 6 minus 9 equals to 0. Then it is a x plus y minus 3 equals to 0 is our required plane. But we need what? The distance of the point to this point to the plane. So we can apply in the distance formula. Now substitute in this, the point substitute 1 minus 2 minus 3 by under root 1 square plus 1 square, yes or no? Okay, ax1 formula is what? Ax1 plus by1 plus c z1 plus d by under root a square plus b square plus c square, yes or no? Okay, now we can applied here. So it is a minus 1 minus 4 plus 4, yes or no? It is a minus 5 minus 4 is a plus 4 by root 2 means 2. Okay, 1 square plus 1 square here root 2 then 2 into 2 by root 2 is a, then that equals to 2 root 2 is a fourth option is the right option. Now next one, if the line x minus 1 by 2 equals to y plus 1 by 3 equals to z minus 1 by 4 and x minus 3 by 1 y minus k by 2 z by 1 intersect, then k equals to, it is a question from 3D line. Okay, now both are intersect to each other in a space. So it is also be like a plane equation, not a plane, it is like this one. It is passes through from where 1 comma minus 1 comma 1, yes or no? Now it is passes through from 3 comma minus k comma 0, yes or no? So now 3 minus 1 k plus 1 0 minus 1, and direction questions are 2 3 4 and 1 2 1 equals to 0. Okay, because of both are intersect, these are in the plane. Yes. Then 2k plus 1 minus 1 2 3 4 1 2 1 equals to 0 in. Okay, now here 2 into 3 into 1 3 minus 2 into 4 is the 8 minus of k plus 1 into 2 minus 4 minus 1 into 4 minus 3 equals 0. Yes. Now it is a minus 5 into 2 minus 10 minus 2 into k plus 2k plus 2 minus 1 equals to 0. Okay. Then 2k minus 9 equals 0. Then 2k equals to 9. Then k equals to 9 by 2. Which option? Third option. Okay. Now these are the problems from 3D geometry, coordinates and DCs, ratios, direction cosine, direction ratios, and 3D plane, 3D line, this one. Okay. If you like this video, please share to your friends. If you want any doubts, ask in comment box. Okay. Thank you so much.